Here's how to sign up for Claude AI without a phone number. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. On the homepage, look for the Sign In or Get Started button. The easiest route is to continue with Google. Click the Google option, choose the account you want to use, and confirm the basic profile permissions when prompted. This typically skips phone verification entirely since your credentials stay secured behind your Google login. Double-check you are selecting the correct account if you manage multiple Google profiles, and use Add Another account if needed. If you would rather not use Google, select the email option instead. Type in an email address you control and submit. A verification link will be sent to your inbox almost immediately. Open the email and click Verify or Continue inside it. If it does not arrive within a minute or two, check your spam or promotions folder. Once verified, you will be returned to the site fully signed in with no phone number required anywhere in the process. Complete any basic profile details or term screens if prompted to finish setup, and use a unique password stored in a password manager for best security going forward. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.